All right, so I just got these. We're gonna unbox them. I'm looking at it, and it looks like it's my size, so hopefully they fit. Dun, 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 dun. All right, you guys ready? Look at this. Does that look comfy? Oh, it's got hang in there. Get that out of there. So check it out. Slippers. There's two of them. Remember, you got to get that out of there before you shove your feet in. But look at these bad boys. Ooh, they're nice. They're really nice. Now we just got to try them on my feet. All right, let's see what we think. Sliding one in. Sliding in the other. Ooh, nice. Right, these are going to be great for walking around the house. Check them out. Wow, they are definitely comfortable. They're like moccasins, you know what I mean? And easy to get your feet in and out of them. You know what I mean? Look, check it out. So you come home, you take off your outside shoes, you put on your inside shoes. And bam, Bob's your uncle. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on stuff like this. Peace out.